Good evening. This is Gary Wales and Andreas Aranda. This is the 1917 REO that we started with in October, and then of course we were in REO and we've done Christmas and all that other stuff, Thanksgiving. We have a total of 27 days on this particular project between us, and this is, I just want to show you where we're at right now, and so you can see what we have done. This is 27 days with two of us doing our thing on it. And then I will show you the other video of it as we got it, so you could see for yourself what 27 days can be if you do it properly and do it right. All right? Let me show you here all these lovely pieces. Everything's been rebuilt that you see here. The springs, the wheels, everything else. Aren't these magnificent tires? They're no skid tires. Brand new old stock. And they're absolutely marvelous. But I want you to see this marvelous automobile and see the detail work that's in it. That's what it's about, is detail. When we get it done, now we've got to rebuild the engine and go through the transmission. All of this stuff was just in terrible shape. The steering wheel was in about 25 pieces. And that's all been pieced back together. John Maddox did that for us. Unbelievable. But I want you to see what we're doing here so you can get an idea. Just give it a little paint in here and going to do this and make it really right. So anyway, just wanted you to see it, and I will put on the video after this. So when you see it, it'll be in tomorrow, and you can see what this looks like. First of all, say hello to Andreas. Hello.
Hi there.
And hello from me. This is the transmission. In bits and pieces here, you can see what's happening to it. Greasy mess.
Yeah, it's coming
By
out.
the time it's coming around, it's going to be fantastic, just like everything else is.
And this is part of the multi-disc clutch. Look at this.
It's unbelievable, isn't it? It's just unbelievably well made. These old cars, you think they're a Model T or something. Yes. They're not. Absolutely amazing stuff. Anyway, there's your emergency brake arm. Anyway, just wanted to show you, and of course, we are going to be getting back on this again, the La Bestione, the Beast of Turin. So just wanted you to see what we're doing here. Anyhow, have a great weekend. We will, and see you later.